Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good and welcome back to another exciting episode of What is Your Hobby? In this tutorial, we'll be looking at all the basic patterns used in embroidery, and by the time we finish this tutorial, you'll have all the basic skills that you need to jump off for your first embroidery project. So let's dive right into the video and see what's in store for us. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to do stem stitch and buttonhole stitch. First, we're starting with stem stitch. It's a beginner friendly and often used in creating an outline of most of the embroidery stitches, which is ideal to use for curve or straight lines. This stitch is somehow similar to the back stitch that we did earlier, but instead of linking stitches at the ends, you're going to instead bring the needle up for the next stitch right next to the last stitch. Make a small stitch about a length of grain of rice. Bring the needle back up through the fabric on the right side or left side of the previous stitch, fairly close to the end of that stitch as shown here. Keep starting your new stitches on the same side of the stitches you've already put down. Also, these stitches is easiest to practice with lines drawn. When you try it without lines, it can be quite tricky to know where each stitch should end. The stem stitch is fantastic for veins, branches, flowers and outlines. It also looks great for text, but you've got to be careful with sharp corners. Up next we have buttonhole stitch. Whenever you're going to start the buttonhole stitch, you're going to start on the line where you want the rope-like edge to be. As you can see here, I have worked this on 2 horizontal lines. You can work in any direction as you please. So to get started, pull your needle up to the front of the fabric and start on the line, and then take your needle down away from the line and then back up on the line as you can see it here. Take the working thread over the needle and pull through. The stitch will catch around the working thread and hold it in place. So again, we repeat the process down on the top line and bring it back to the baseline, working thread over the needle and pull through. Repeat the process till you're done. You can change the look of the buttonhole stitch by changing the spacing between them or by changing the length of the spokes. Some can be higher, some can be lower. It depends on the look you're going for. So that's it guys, I hope it was really helpful. If you want to learn more cool patterns, go check it out on our website. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.